Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Lei. Today I'm making Zhajiangmian, one of China's most beloved noodle dishes. Rich, savory, and full of umami. This Beijing classic is comfort food at its best. Step 1. Soak the rice noodles. Traditionally, wheat noodles are used for this dish, but I used rice noodles instead. In a baking dish, place the dried rice noodles and add warm water to cover the noodles. Step 2. Make the sauce. Zhajiang in Chinese literally means frying the sauce, which is the start of the show. In a pot over medium-high heat, add olive oil. Add chopped green onions and minced garlic and saute for a few minutes. Then add the ground pork. Stir to make sure the ground pork is uncrumbed. Cover the pot and cook for a few minutes. After the ground pork is cooked, it is time to add the seasoning. 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, 2 tablespoons of fermented soybean paste, 1 tablespoon of Sichuan spicy bean paste, ½ tablespoon of dark soy sauce for color, 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce, stir and mix. Cover the pot, let it simmer for a few minutes. Taste the sauce to make sure it's seasoned well. Add ½ a cup of water and cover to cook for another minute or 2. Remove the pot from the stove and set aside. Cook the rice noodles. Place a pot with water onto the stove, bring it to a rolling boil. Add rice noodles into the pot and cook until al dente. Timing may vary depending on the types of noodles you use. After they are done, rinse under cold water to stop cooking and drain. Next, assemble the bowl. To serve, place a generous portion of noodles in a bowl. Spoon the rich, savory pork sauce onto the top. I didn't have time to julienne cucumber green onions this time, but I did add a teaspoon of Chinese vinegar to enhance the flavor. You can also add chili oil or chili sauce if you like it spicier. Mix the noodles and slurp away. Give it a good mix before eating and enjoy the magic of chewy noodles, salty umami sauce in every bite. If you love bold, homey flavors, Zhajiangmian is a must try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Please check in the description below for ingredients, step-by-step cooking instructions, and links to products frequently used in my videos. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic dishes from around the world. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.